Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Good morning! Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. Keep inspired, keep motivated, and look to kickstart your day. You can look to book yourself your free 30-minute call by sending me a text message on 07801 543 515. My calendar is 100% open for you because today, it's just the perfect day to start to eliminate that problem or that issue that you've got. Think about what problem you have right now and how much you want to stop it. It's going to happen, but only if you take the action. Stop ignoring the pain. It is time. But first, here's your quote for today. Instead of seeing the negative in everything, try seeing the positive. With so much negativity in the world, it is easy to just get caught up in it all. Try a different approach and look at every issue and every situation from all different angles. Look at all the possibilities and the positive things that are out there for you. Focus on the positives, and the best things and the best results will surely follow.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.